Computerized occlusal analysis gives you the control to refine occlusion.
The concepts of bilateral simultaneity and immediate posterior disclusion are important and have been around for a long time. With the T-scan, you have an instrument that can measure these concepts for improved diagnostic data and more accurate and reliable occlusal treatment. The T-scan measures relative occlusal force and both the occlusion time and the disclusion time. So Caroline, today what we're going to be doing is using the T-scan technology to measure the time, the elapsed time that it takes you to move left, right, and forward and separate your back teeth. And the longer your back teeth don't disengage, the more muscle firing that your jaw creates for your head. And that's one of the causes of all these symptoms. So with the T-scan technology, we have the ability to measure it very precisely and understand how to change it so that we can shorten that time down to where it's really physiologic for you. Okay, so now we're going to record your 3 excursions, right, left, and protrusion. So we're going to do the right one first. So I'm going to have you bite down through the sensor, hold your teeth together, and then slide to the right. Okay? Put your head back for me. And each time, before I record, I'm going to have you close fully into the sensor to make sure you're seating your bite correctly. Go ahead and bite down firmly. And open. Bite down again. Now slide to the right. Okay, Caroline, let's look at the recordings. This is of you moving to the right, and first, when you close your teeth together, your bite is fairly uniform until the left posterior teeth become extreme, and that happens before the right posterior teeth become extreme. So there's an imbalance in your closure that is predominantly to the left side. You have significant imbalance to the left side. So here, when you're moving to the right, you'll see that your back teeth stay together on the right side and on the left side. And then as you try to move further to the right, you actually have a worsening of the left side. And the T-scan software automatically calculates the time of disclusion, and yours is very prolonged at 3.993 seconds. In optimum occlusion, your back teeth should disengage in fractions of seconds, less than half a second. And that's the kind of thing that we can measure with the T-scan technology that's impossible to see visually by inspection, visual inspection. So now, Caroline, when you close, you're much more balanced. You're a little more right-sided than absolutely perfectly balanced, but you're much more centered with your center of force. It doesn't travel way off to one side, which is a significant improvement, and the total center of force is more forward and within the middle of your occlusion. When you slide to the right, your right side stays in play a little bit longer than I would like. It separates much better, but there's still a little bit of drag on your right side, so we have to go back and work on that. You can see that your middle and your middle of your right side stays together, and that we want to kind of improve. Right now, your disclusion time is 0.687 seconds, which is a lot shorter than it was pre-treatment. Pre-treatment, it was much longer than that. So your center of force is now more balanced, and you disclude much faster going to the right. So Carolyn, now that we've straightened out your occlusion, what's different about it? How does it feel different than from before we treated you?
It feels a lot different. It feels good. Definitely aligned better. I can feel it in the back, less pressure.
So it feels lighter in back?
Yes.
And does it feel like you can close and your teeth fit together?
Yes.
Yes. And did it feel like that before we did this?
No.
So that's one of the advantages of disclusion time reduction. It automatically balances the bite and closure for the patient, speeds up the process of doing occlusal adjustment therapy.
TechScan, manufacturer of the T-Scan occlusal analysis system, offers various training courses held throughout the country by the leading experts on occlusion. You can view our upcoming event schedule at www.techscan.com and click on our dental page for a course near you.